Okay. What is a Maven? Maven is a build and dependency management tool which is required in our project. Simple things. So we have to discuss here 2 points. First is a build and another one is dependency management. Today we will discuss about build tool, and tomorrow we will discuss about the dependency management. So what is a build tool? When you write a Java class, when you write a Java class, that particular Java class required in first step have to compile. Once that particular Java class is compiled, then only you can run or execute that particular Java program. Let's see. For this purpose, I am going to writing few steps. If you have the Java class, first it need to compile. That's moment, guys. Something is there. I'm going to mute. Who is there? Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of the build? What is the meaning of the compiling? Building means your written classes or written Java code, you have to convert it into the jar, and that will use to deploy on server. Means that should be able to accessible anywhere. It create the jar. When you use the build, that means your all the classes group into a jar. So how it is possible? How we can compile the manually? How we can compile the Java classes? So let's discuss. Suppose I am going to create here one Java class, public student, public static void main string arguments. I'm creating a simple Java class to understand how compilation process come under the build, why it required, and how we can discuss about that particular build. So I have just created one class. Just I'm writing here system dot out dot println hello, good morning. I have simply created a class and saving into a folder. So I am going to save it under I'm going to save it to another student.java all classes. We are discussing without Maven how we can compile and how Maven help us to build entire project at a time. So now suppose I want, this is a simple class and I want to build this. How I can use it? Just I am going to that particular folder where I have created a class, and putting here cmd. First I need to compile that Java, and guys, look at here, you have only one file student.java. Once, now I am going to compile it. How I can compile it? Using the Java C and its file name Okay, I guess I don't have that configuration path. Java C student.java. I need to change my configuration path. So how I can change the configuration path? I need to go in my properties, advanced variable, Java home, compiled, JDK, or I have to compile it from the bin folder. My system will not allowed here to compiling. Just a moment, I'll try one more time. CMD Java C. Okay, when uh, this command is not available, then you have to configure your configuration Java variable path. If I have changed, then my another application can affect. So guys, you can try once. So what will happen here? Just simply it will create a Java class file. Means like this file will be create here. I am going to create a text file, student dot class. This kind of the file will be create here. Then only you can run that particular Java. So if you are going to compile one file at a time, and then if you have the 100 or 1000 of Java classes, then manually it will not be possible to one by one you have to compile it. So what does the Maven Maven compile all the file at a time. Maven compile all the file at a time. So it gives the flexibility to developer compile all the file at a time. Then in the build process, first is the compilation of the all classes. Maven does in the build processes compile all the Java classes at a time with less time. Okay. Second one is package all the Java classes together and build bundle a single jar. This is a building process. This is simple. Third one, it creates necessary it creates required folder structure. So these three steps come under build. We will see how we can create the Maven project. Simply you have to open your STS or Eclipse and you can create a Maven project. I'm going to open a Maven project. I have opened the STS. now we are going to create a Maven project. How we can create the Maven project? Just go to the file, new, and you will see the Maven project. Just click on the Maven project. If you want to create the standalone project, no web application, then you have to choose create a simple project. If you want to create a web application project, then you have to go next, and you have to search here the web, and you have to select here web. But right away I am going to create a simple standalone project. Then go to next, and group ID means your company ID. Let's see, com dot in dot career. Artifact ID, it is your project name. Let's see, this is a IES project name. You can give jar version. If you are build the jar version, you can give any jar version. I am giving 1.0. This is your jar version, means your application version 1.1, 1.2, 1.0, whatever. If you want to package into the jar, you can say the jar. Then I am going to finish here. Are you able to see a project? This is IES project, and this is a project structure. So what is the use of the Maven? First, it create folder structure as required. So this is a folder structure of the Maven: src main java, src main resource, src test, src test resource. These all kind of the folder structure created by the Maven. And one more thing, now you will able to see the target folder. What will be in the target folder? All the compiled classes will available in target folder. Compiled classes. Let's see, we will open that. How I can open that particular target folder? Just go to properties and keep it open. Target, it will open. I'll share my entire screen so you can. Okay, I have opened here the target. This is your target folder. These are the classes, but here are not compiled classes. You will be able to see here the all the compiled classes, but when will you be able to see compiled classes? You have to create a class. Now I am going to create a class. Let's see, student may public method I am going to take. Okay, simply I am writing here. So hello. Okay, now I want to compile this class. Once I have compiled this class, it will be show in this target folder. But how I can compile this? How I can compile this Java class using the Maven command? So we have to learn Java command with Maven. So that particular command which is used to compile, test, package, build, that call the goals. So we will discuss few of the goals and then we can implement here. I'm sharing my another screens. goals. It is a command which is used to execute or run required action in Maven. So how many goals we have to learn here? Not much, but those are very important. First is a clean. Second is a compile. Third, test. And fourth is package. And fifth one is install. These are 5 goals we have to execute. Goal is nothing but these are the commands. Guys, read these 5 goals which we have to perform now. Okay. Satish, how many goals you are able to see here?
5.
Okay. Sagar, how many goals are there?
5.
Yes, buddy. Great. So what is use of clean goal? So we will discuss about this thing. It is delete existing used to delete target folder. Okay. If you don't want previous compiled classes, you don't want the previous target folder, then you can use this goal clean, so it will delete previous or existing one target folder. Then what is the second goals use? It is a compile. It is used to compile all Java classes and generate dot class files. Okay. Now third goal. Now third goal. Are you able to see my screen? Correct? Hello, Sagar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which screen you are able to see?
Notepad.
Okay. Correct one. Okay. That's great. So this is a test goal. Third goal is test goal. It is used to execute only JUnit test cases. It is used to execute JUnit test cases for testing purpose. That is. Then next one is fourth one is package. What is the use of the package? It is used to generate jar or var for our application. That's it. and final one is it install required dependency in our project. So today we will see these four goals. How we can implement. Tomorrow we will see this install goal because it required a dependent project. Then we have to understand why we required a dependent project, why we required a child project, how it will install, and all those. So today we will discuss about this four goal. So what is the use of clean goal, Sakshi?
Sir, it is used to delete target folder.
Okay, what is the target folder? Target folder is nothing but whatever Java classes we have, that is a compiled classes will be created there, as well as the bundle of the all the applications classes will combine together and it will create jar or var. Jar or var we deployed on the server like as a application. We install another kind of the exe files, so we created here the jar file, so that will be execution file, so that will be the entire application will combine together, that is called jar or var file, Java archive or web archive. Okay, anybody want to ask some question or something? It is a very simple, but uh, even though 1 or 2 year experience guys don't have that much skill on this, but every Java developer have to use this command for the building purpose, everybody. Okay, so we will perform these four packages. How we can perform four packages, four goals in particular project? It is very simple. I'll show you one by one. First of all, we will go with the graphic, then we will go with the command line. So right click on your project, just right click on your project, then go to the run as, and Sakshi, are you able to see Maven build 3 numbers option?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I have select this, so it is going to ask you goals. Suppose I want to perform clean goal, I will write here clean. I have write here clean. In the goal sections I have write here the clean, then apply and say run. So look at here console. In the below, look at here console. It is going to happen something. Build success. Build as a success. What is saying? Maven clean plugin. That means what? Clean means the target folder which was earlier has some Java classes, so that was the deleted and there are no more Java classes. So we will find out. Now we will build one more goal, which is called, another one is a compile. So you will able to see dot classes file, you will able to see dot classes file under the target folder. Let's perform. Now I am going to run compile. Now I am going to compile goal. So run as, I'll use the fourth one, Maven build. I am right here the compile, apply and run. Compile, Let's see. Here should be build success, and how many file it has compiled, how many file it found. Compile one source file. How many target classes you have available, how many classes in available in your project, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
How many classes available here?
Two.
Only one. This is a student.java. Now I am creating one more new class teacher. Now how many classes you are able to see here?
Two.
Which one? Student and
Teacher.
teacher. Now I am going to compile this again. Just run as build, and goal is compile, apply, and run. How many compile the source files? How many you are able to see?
Two.
Two. Yes. Okay, guys. Compile. What is use of the compile goal? It is generate dot class file. Where it generate? Into the target folder. So go into the target folder. You will not see here the directly. I'm going to refresh this. Just right click here and refresh. You may not see here directly class dot class file. Just right click here and go to the properties and open its folder. Directly open the folder and go to the target, and under the classes just go. You will able to see here dot class file, student dot class file and teacher dot class file. Leave as it is here. Open this target folder. Now I am going to use clean. Now I am going to use clean one, build clean goal. Okay, but before that, under the classes, how many dot classes file able to see, Sakshi? Dot class file
Two.
2. Okay, now I am going to execute clean goals. What is use of the clean? Just run. Okay, build success. Now how many dot classes folder files are available in this folder? Are you able to
Zero,
see
sir.
any? No. What is the use of the clean goal? It delete the target folders, all the classes. Dot classes, dot classes files is deleted. What is the use of then compile? It compiled all the Java classes and generate the dot class files. This is the use of compile. Now if you have the test, then you can run another goal. How we can run the another goal? Test, but we don't have right away test cases, so we can apply and run. So it has run the test, but we don't have any kind of the test cases, so it won't given any information regarding the testing. That's it. Now what is the meaning of the fourth one? Compile we have done, test we have done. Now package. It is used to generate jar or var for our application. It is a combination of clean, compile, test, and package. The package is a combination of clean, compile, and test. It will delete all the existing one dot class file. It will compile all the classes. Then it will start executing test cases, and then it will build finally our jar. So we will use package goal. Just run as build, and we will use package, apply, run. build success, all classes are up to date. And please read this, Sakshi. What is it saying? Maven dash jar plugin 2.1 jar is created. Let's see. Dot jar is created. So we can go into that particular folder and let's see, is there jar available? Are you able to see any dot jar?
Yes.
IES dot jar. IES dot jar. So this jar we use to deploy on the server or any of the machine. If I have given this jar, Sakshi, suppose this is your entire project. Suppose this is your entire project and I have given you, or I have given this jar to Shreya and she has execute this jar, then all the application will run for the Shreya's machine. If I have deployed on the server, so everybody can access over the internet this application. This is simple Maven. Okay, this is a GUI base, means you just going to the run as and then selecting the Maven, but real time developer don't use this kind of the GUI, means graphical user interface. What does the developer? It developer goes into that particular folder where is the IES project. Just I am right clicking here and going here. So this is the IES. I am opening this into the command line cmd and put here the command mvn, like this, mvn, let's see, clean. The developer use command line same as it is the GUI one which we have used into STS. Nothing changed, but developer feel more comfortable on command line. So I have same I have done here. So mvn package, so mvn test, all the goals I'm putting here together, so no worries. Just you have to open project folder and go there and just put, but before the putting the goal you have to put mvn and which goal you want to execute. Just I want to execute the clean goal, so I am saying that mvn clean. That's it. And if I want to the open particular folder, so I'm going to open, you will able to see I have execute the clean command, clean goal, so you will not able to see any target folder. Suppose I have used here the mvn package, this goal, build success, you will able to see target folder and IES jar and the all kind of the classes dot class files.